MECC, you got a copy for Power 28?
Go ahead for MECC.
This is Power 28, just doing a radio check. It seems like a fiber problem is going down on the A line. Our crews aren't able to get a hold of you, so that might be an issue coming up.
You said on the A line you having communication problems, radio problems, issues?
Yeah, I'm on the phone with one of our crews down there. He said he can't. He's been radioing Power Sport and MECC and not getting any kind of response.
Yeah, for is that between Hayward and Fremont? You got a specific location where they're having issues with the radio?
That's affirmative. He's at AFM at the moment at Fremont Station.
Yeah, for we can pass that on to Tom. Let them know what's going on. Due to communication issues on the S line, Power 58 is just cleared the S line blanket. He confirms all tools, personnel equipment are clear the trackway and is ready for ATO at 0615. And Com 64, do you have any updates regarding the fiber? Were you able to find the break or the cut fiber line?
They did. They're working on it right now. They're still, luckily it's not on Wayside, so they're able to pull the fiber out of Wayside, and we're working on it on the other side of the gate. I don't have a milepost, no.
Before, I show you cleared A-line blanket at 0627. You open work. Com 36 will be on site with Phase 3, is that correct? And testing all units, yeah, we have testing all units. We had structure 001 due to communication issues cleared via landline. Structure 001 cleared the S line blanking working between Fremont and Warm Springs at 0630. Now 0631. And units be advised that we had train control 54 clear the S line blanket due to communication issues on the S line. He cleared the S line working between Fremont and Warm Springs at 0631. Now 0631.
That's affirmative. All tools, personnel are clear Wayside. The fiber optic contractors Phase 3 move the cable outside the fence line, and they are splicing outside Wayside.
Okay, thank you. 0635.